Hello, I'm going to show y'all what's in the $170 Holley tuning kit. I opened this up earlier, and all I took out of it was a squirter, front nozzle. Everything else, I'll get to see what's in. So we got plenty of gaskets. Y'all gonna get to see everything that's in it. I mean, there's 2-barrel stuff. I think there's even some spread bore stuff. And I'm not good enough on these to be able to identify all of the little gaskets that all look alike, but I mean, there's a 3-barrel for a Dominator. There's some cool stuff in here. Now, I don't know, I can't tell y'all if it's worth $170. I got this cheaper than that at a little swap meet. All kinds of cool little doodads in there. And we got about every one of the little blue guys that you can imagine. And these two are stuck together. Got a white pump cam, which I believe comes standard in most Holleys. By the time you buy each of these separately, you know, and these I believe are for the springs. I believe are for tuning vacuum secondaries, which is real cool. I need those, and it's got a this one is, it says on there somewhere. It's a 28. That's a little smaller than like the standard 31 that's in most 4-barrels. But it comes with quite a few of these. It comes with one of these big guys, one of the big boys there. And it comes with some of these kind of tan colored pump cams. Altogether, you've got 2 white pump cams. Then you've got a couple of the orange pump cams. Oh, there's you got plenty of pump cams to choose from. Comes with a pink one, and you got a few power valves. You get a 6.5 and another 6.5. That's good. Some more little diaphragms. You get 2 big ones and 2 of the smaller ones. That's a blue pump cam. Another blue pump cam. I mean, just the pump cams would probably cost you probably $30 for all of them, or possibly more. You get the needle and seats. You get a few of them to choose from. There's a needle and seat. There's a needle and seat. There's a needle and seat. There's one. So you get a few to choose from, and that's real nice. And there are several of these squirters in here, and some of them have the fancy, like the little in-tube inserts. That's 37. That's for a real bad boy. You get a 37, and a 25 is the I believe the smallest that you'll get. Yeah, one of the big 37s. And altogether, you get, like I say, I took one out of here because I needed one a few weeks ago. And you've got all the information in the world on what comes in here. Let's see. I don't know what this is. Oh. Information. Yes, there's a lot of good stuff in here, guys. So y'all guys are thinking about it, and you're gonna be buying that stuff anyways. Will, you probably best off buying the whole deal. Now, $170. I don't know if I could pay that. I paid $100 for this, and it was brand new in the seal, and I broke the seal on it. But I'm satisfied with my purchase. I think it's worth $100, but $170, that's a lot of money. But anyhow, I appreciate y'all watching, and y'all have a good one.